have coffee. Overnight oat yung ginawa ko kagabi. Usually, ito lang yung binabreakfast ko sa umaga. I'm trying to try to be more healthy since we're aging. Ganito lang yung texture niya. And healthy siya. Healthy na breakfast. Okay, so I think I'm done with my review. Bahala na talaga mamaya. And so, magpiprepare na ako. See you in a bit. Hi guys, so nakaligo na ako and nagayos na ako. So, let's start. Blower muna tayo since medyo masakit sa ulo pag nagtali tayo ng basa. So, ganito lang ako mag-ayos. Sumaga pa naman, so I think I have more time para mag-vlog kung paano ako mag-ayos ng buhok ko or yan. Sige, let's start na. So, tapos na ako mag-blower ng buhok ko, guys. And ngayon naman is itatali ko na siya. So, I'm using a stylish gel kasi yung buhok ko may mga baby curl ba tawag doon, yung maliliit. Lumalabas siya. So, para mas maging neat yung hair natin. Nakabump siya. Meron ako mamayang hairnet. So, usually, yun talaga dapat yung ayos ng buhok. Okay, so let's start. So, then na ako mag-ayos ng buhok. So, nakaban siya. And, mag-hairnet lang ako. So, start na tayo siya. Hindi naman kailangan naging naka-makeup. Pero, since gusto natin na presentable, mag-add lang tayo ng konting touch. O konting touch. Start na. Ready na ako for the examination. Tapos, mag-jacket lang tayo. Let's go! Hi guys, so all goods na ako and paalis na ako ng apartment. So, yeah, tara! Say hi to my vlog. Guys, dinaanan ko yung friendship ko. Naka-duty. Bye guys, dinaanan ko ng friendship ko and uuwi na ako. Happy Friday.
Oh, happy Friday. Oh, happy ka talaga.
Thank God it's Friday. 8 ka pa.
Oh, 8 pa ako.
Yung duty labi kasi dito, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. 12 hours kang naka-duty. Doon na kami sa
Hearing here at Branch 102 of the Quezon City.
we're done.
And we're done. Team 9 of the CIC Class 1164 undergoing criminal investigation course.
Pwede vlog.
Di ba maasim yan?
Hindi masin yan, sir. Isa pa ang cauliflower.
Maasim yan, eh? Hindi kasi yung asawa ko eh. Oo. Saan?
Sis.
Balik ka na. Bigyan na ngayon.
Hi guys, good morning. So today is meron akong online class sa investigation. So, naka-undergo ko ng schooling. So, for I think it's almost 2 months na, 1.5, almost 1.5. And online test kami ngayon. So relieve ako sa office para mas makapag-focus. Yun, mapag-focus sa schooling. So, samahan niyo ako.
Officials indicating therein the date, time, and place where the evidence was found, recovered, or seized. Okay? So, nakalagay pa dito, date, time, and place where the evidence was found or recovered or seized. Okay? So, mag-execute ka ng sworn affidavit of justification. Okay, ma'am, sir, ha? Tandaan po natin to. Provided that justifiable grounds were clearly explained and the chain of custody was preserved. Siyempre, identity of the person, kung kanino natin nakuha, yung seizure operation. Siyempre, tsaka kasi may evidentiary value din yan eh. Hinahanap din siya actually ng court.
Pa-dismiss yung kaso eh.
Dismiss talaga yun. Oo.
Sir, I think the seizing officer must preserve the integrity and evidentiary value of all pieces of evidence, and a person's handling their evidence from the time of his seizures or the confiscation should be limited to the seizing officers, the investigator on case, and PDA laboratory services or the PNP kind of personnel. So I think those are the guidelines should be strictly observed in transmitting of health evidence.